Cute Kawaii, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a squishy collection of 2017, and then I'll be doing my big squishies first, and then I'll do just random squishies. So yeah, let's just get on to the video. I don't hear any background noise, but anyways, my first big squishy is this Punimaru Cornet squishy. Next, I have this Punimaru croissant. Super squishy. Okay, so I adjusted the camera and really got that. Next, I have this Eric Abs, I think. Super squishy. Then I have this Colossal Bread Pretzel by Kibru. Super squishy. Then next I have another Colossal Bread by Kibru. Super squishy. Then I have this Aridi chicken bread. Super duper squishy. Then I have this croissant squishy. It says it's by Squishy Fun. It is super squishy. Then I have this I Am a Tokyo English bread. It's not that squishy. Now just showing you guys some random squishies, and the first squishy I have here is this Strawberry I Bloom bread doll. It is super squishy. It smells amazing. Then I have this replica peach. Super squishy. Next I have this Lucio the Patissier croissant. Then I have this Hello Kitty donut. Then I have this soft bread mascot. And this is Mickey Mouse. Next I have this mango by Aridi. Super squishy. Next I have this purple Bretto donut. Then next I have this marshmallow cake. This is the chocolate version. Next I have this mini I Am a Tokyo cake roll. This is one of my all-time faves. I have this mini Chowa bread loaf. And then this is butter. Next I have this Pai Chow. Next I have this pink turtle. And next I have this pink Swiss roll. Then I have this damaged Rilakkuma Swiss roll. Next I have this replica blue baby bottle. Then I have this green cute tofu. have this pink tofu. Then I have this Rilakkuma and Friends. She has a little cute toy. Then I have this Rilakkuma bread loaf. Then I just have this plain bread loaf. Then I have another plain bread loaf. Then I have like this Kiritori thing. Then I have this Aikiro and Friends in a lamb costume. Then I have this Bretto bread loaf with a dead face. Next I have this replica Bretto bread loaf. Next I have this jumbo onsen burger. Then I have this jumbo blush bun, which the face kind of came off. Next I have this soft bread mascot, and this is Stitch. The ear came off, but... Then I have this jumbo girl panda bun with the pink bow. Then I have this jumbo boy panda bun. Then I have like this face thing. I don't exactly know what this is. Next I have this messed up onsen bun. Then I have another jumbo blush bun. Then I have this medium sized pink onsen bun. Then I have this medium sized panda bun. Then I have this baguette squishy. Next I have this twisted Bretto loaf. Jumbo cake roll. Then I have this really cute purple cupcake. Next I have this mini orange onsen bun. Then I have this pink capybara slipper. Then I have this jumbo melon pan bread. Then I have this mini panda bun with the tongue sticking out. Then I have this cream puff. Next I have this capybara pan bread. Then I have this twisted bread squishy. Then I have this mini pom-pom Pirin bread loaf. Then I have this My Melody head bun. Next I have this white cat squishy. Then I have this strawberry squishy. Then I have this medium-sized steam bun. Then I have this mini blue baby bottle. Next I have this pink mini baby bottle. Then I have this mini slice of toast with a sad face. Then I have this mini Hello Kitty donut. Next I have this mini pink slice of toast. Then I have this little sushi thing. Then next I have this blue eclair. Then I have this Rilakkuma head. Then I have another slice of toast with like a pirate face. Then I have this Disney Minnie Mouse bread. Next I have this capybara green biscuit. Then I have this green Gudetama heart squishy. Then I have like this mini yellow whale squishy. Then I have this yellow donut. Then I have this panda bun / melon pan bread. Next I have this Hello Kitty cream puff. Then I have this green tea slice of bread. Next I have this red apple. Then I have this donut. Next I have this green bun. I think that's a pom-pom Pure & Face. Then I have like this big yellow donut thing. Next I have this yellow bubble donut. Then I have this emoji squishy. Then I have this mini steam bun. Onsen bun. Then I have this Anpan Man bread. Thing. Then I have this Gudetama egg squishy. Then I have another green heart squishy. Then I have this Rilakkuma cupcake. Then I have another Rilakkuma cupcake. And I have another cute sushi thing. Then I have this mini biscuit. Then I have this cute owl squishy. Then I have a mini steam bun. And I have another mini steam bun. Then I have like this grandma pancake. Then I have like this pastry thing. Next I have this weird thingy-mabopper. Then I have like this pink Rilakkuma head. Then I have this chocolate donut. Then I have this clam face squishy. Okay guys, that's my whole squishy collection. I hope you guys like it. So please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.